Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I love food, I love cooking, I love experimenting, and that is why I am really excited today to share with you one of my last minute resort, quick fix but surprisingly delicious recipe. Any guesses what it is? If you have guessed already, I am impatiently waiting for your feedback. Please let me know in the comments what you think I'm making today. It is a cheeseburger pasta bake. It's my recipe, my version. It's Macrina's 4 cheese burger pasta bake. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I do is preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and then I put a large pan of water to boil on the hob. For this recipe, I am using 6 5% fat quarter pounder burger patties. Once the burgers are in the oven and the water has started boiling, I put the pasta in, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I cook the pasta for 6 to 8 minutes. After that, I start preparing my sauce. I fry 1 onion until slightly golden in 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I add 800 grams of tomato passata in it. You can add tomato puree or chopped tomatoes, it's up to you, but I prefer passata because it's really smooth. One teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of sage, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, one teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I mix it well so that the flavor gets blended nicely. And this has already started smelling divine. So now in go 300 grams of broccoli florets. And I cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. To soften the sauce, I add a few drops of water. By this time the burger patties are done, so I take them out of the oven to cool down slightly, and the pasta is ready as well, so I drain it and rinse it in cold water to stop the cooking process. And I cut the burger patties into tiny cubes because once they are in the sauce, they will automatically absorb the moisture. And here is some soft cheese to enhance the creaminess of the sauce. And in goes the cooked pasta. I pour all of it in a baking tray and grate some Parmesan cheese on top of it, and then I add a few drops of milk. The measurements of all these ingredients are at the end of the video for you to note down. And let me tell you one thing, that these measurements are only for this recipe. Okay, now I will bake this pasta for 6 minutes in the oven. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Do you like it? At this point, my pasta bake is ready to eat, but I want to add double yumminess to this. So I tear some cheddar cheese slices and mozzarella slices and place them randomly across. And I will bake it again for at least 8 minutes. Please click the thumbs up if you like this recipe and share the love. Share this recipe with your family and friends. And as you can see, it is time to enjoy this scrumptiously delicious 4-cheese pasta bake. So friends, if you haven't commented yet, now is the time to do that. I appreciate your feedback and always reply to each and every one of your comments. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet already done so, and click the bell icon so that you can be notified of my future videos. Make this recipe at home and send me your pictures on Instagram and Facebook. I will love to see them. Thank you so much. Until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.